Right 6 plus, 200 start, 15.
Flat, flat, flat.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hit it. All right, 6 plus, 200. Right 5 plus, loose and long, 50. Then left 5 plus, very long. Opens very long. Then tightens to 6. Then double caution, 120, right 3. 50.
Ooh, a little squirrely. Got off line a little bit, my apologies.
You're good. Left 6 long, over bridge, 200. Then flat right 5 plus long, 150. Then long small crest, 200. Then left 5, 70. Left 5 minus tightens, 70. Then left 4 half long, tightens, into right 4 plus, 100.
There we go.
Then right 6, 70. And right 6 plus long, 180. This is your right 6 plus long, 180. Then left 6 loose and very long, 250. Then turn left 2 at sign, 120. Right 3 plus, into crest, 150. Then small crest 40, care, right 4 minus off camber. Into left 3 plus long, 100. Right 6, 100. Small crest, 100. Double caution, left 5 plus over small crest, tightens to 4. Into right 6, opens very long. Right 6 opens very long, 100. Small crest into right 5. Then 50, and stay left over crest, 100. Right 6 plus short, 30, and small crest, 70. Small crest, 150. Small crest, 30, then right 5 plus over crest, into crest, 100. Right 6 plus over water, 100. Turn, right 3 minus. Turn, right 3 minus, 30. And stay left over crest, 180. Then care, left 4 plus over small crest, off camber, 70. Right 5 minus, 180. Then double caution, left 4 plus over kick, tightens, off camber, 50. Right 5 over crest, 30. Then right 4 plus short over crest into left 4 loose, 150. Then long small crest, 30. And left 6 into right 5 short over small crest, into left 6 plus, into small crest, 300. Finish, flat over finish. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, 56.
Damn it. I fucked up on that 4. Sorry.
Yeah, you're good, dude. Nice.
Good job.